hold down your brake with your foot, and what you're going to do, instead of just using your finger, you're going to use the key fob itself and hold down on the ignition button. And so that'll automatically make it work. Now, it's easy to replace your key fob remote battery. There's a little, almost like a CMOS battery inside here. And so what you're going to do is you're going to basically get like a credit card or a little small flathead screwdriver, and you're going to pry it open. Depends on the key fob. There might be a different method on some other ones. And it's going to expose a little watch battery, a CMOS battery. And then you pry that open with a little small flathead and read the number on it. I forgot the exact numbers on most of them, but you can enter that in Amazon or eBay or whatever and get them real cheap, or you can get it at the dollar store or Walmart. All right, I hope that helped, and thanks for watching.